So we went ahead and got a new Mega Fuse installed here, and we do have the car cranking now. While testing, the car threw circuit codes for all 6 coil packs, leading me to think I was missing either a power or ground shared by all the coils. I found by reading the wiring diagram that all the coils and injectors share a common fuse. Upon checking this fuse, I found it to be blown. A code for the electronic throttle control came up as well. I also found this fuse blown. After replacing both fuses, the car runs great. Because it took several cranking cycles to get the car to throw the coil circuit code, it would be faster to begin by checking for power and ground.